They sit right next to each other at the grocery store. Same size, same shape, same "am I a vegetable or a tiny tree?" energy. One is confidently green. The other looks like it hasn't seen sunlight since 2003. And yet, we're expected to believe they're basically the same thing. But are they really? Or is this one of those situations where two things look identical, but deep down have very different personalities, life choices, and possibly unresolved issues with each other? I'm Professor Everything, and today we'll be answering the question, what is the difference between broccoli and cauliflower? Right here on Explaining Everything. Here's the plot twist. Broccoli and cauliflower are technically the same species. Yes, same plant family, same scientific name, which means, biologically speaking, they're basically twins who went through different phases in life. Broccoli decided to lean into its leafy, outgoing side. It grows long green stalks and breaks into tiny branching buds that look like mini trees. Cauliflower, on the other hand, said no branches for me and went all in on one massive, compact head that looks like it's protecting secrets. The difference comes down to how the plant develops. Broccoli keeps growing outward, letting its flower buds spread. Cauliflower stops early and tightens everything up, forming that dense white dome. One is expressive. The other is emotionally unavailable. So while they share DNA, they clearly made different aesthetic choices. Let's talk about color, because this is where broccoli and cauliflower really start beefing with each other. Broccoli is green because it embraces sunlight like it's trying to become the main character. Its buds are exposed to light, which triggers chlorophyll production, the pigment that gives plants their green color and helps them turn sunlight into energy. Broccoli basically said, I'm going to photosynthesize loudly, and committed to the look. Cauliflower, on the other hand, plays defense. Its leaves naturally curl inward, wrapping around the head like an overprotective blanket. This blocks sunlight, preventing chlorophyll from forming. The result? A pale, tightly packed vegetable that looks like it avoids the sun and wears sunscreen indoors. But here's the important part. Cauliflower isn't white because it can't be green. It's white because it was never given the chance. Same genetic blueprint, same potential, just a very different lighting situation. Broccoli thrives under the spotlight. Cauliflower prefers mood lighting. And when cauliflower does get a little sun, things get weird. You might see green, purple, or yellowish patches show up, like it accidentally joined broccoli's lifestyle for a weekend and didn't fully recover. It's not spoiled. It's just proof that even vegetables have an identity crisis when exposed to too much attention. Even if you've never thought about it, your brain absolutely knows the difference between broccoli and cauliflower. Broccoli has a bold, slightly bitter flavor that doesn't wait for permission. It's crunchy, fibrous, and layered with different textures. The thick stalk, the branching stems, the tiny buds that feel like they're popping as you chew. Eating broccoli feels active, like the vegetable is participating in the conversation, whether you asked it to or not. Cauliflower takes a quieter approach. Its flavor is mild, almost neutral, and its texture is dense but soft, breaking apart instead of snapping back. It doesn't try to take control of your taste buds. It politely hangs out in the background and lets everything else talk first. This difference comes from sulfur compounds found in both vegetables. Broccoli has more of them, which is why it smells stronger and tastes bolder. Cauliflower has fewer, making it less intense. In personality terms, broccoli is the friend who talks a lot and makes strong points. Cauliflower is the friend who nods, listens, and somehow still gets invited everywhere. Nutritionally, broccoli and cauliflower are both heavy hitters, but they flex in different ways. Broccoli is higher in vitamin C, vitamin K, and certain antioxidants. It's often seen as the healthier one, mostly because it's louder about it. Green vegetables have a reputation, and broccoli fully benefits from that PR. Cauliflower, though, isn't slacking. It's lower in calories, still rich in vitamins, and contains compounds linked to anti-inflammatory benefits. It just doesn't broadcast them as aggressively. Think of it this way. Broccoli posts gym selfies. Cauliflower doesn't. Both are in shape. One just wants credit. So nutritionally, the difference isn't about one being good and the other being bad. It's about emphasis. Broccoli leans toward strength and intensity. Cauliflower leans toward balance and subtlety. So, what's the real difference between broccoli and cauliflower? They're the same species with wildly different life paths. Broccoli grows outward, embraces the sun, tastes bold, and refuses to be ignored. Cauliflower grows inward, stays pale, tastes mild, and somehow still ends up everywhere. One is green and confident. The other is white and mysterious. One shouts, "I'm healthy." The other whispers, "You'll figure it out." And honestly, that's what makes them interesting. They prove that even with the same starting point, small changes in growth can lead to completely different outcomes. Which, if you think about it, is way deeper than we ever expected to get about vegetables today alone. If you enjoy this video, or now know more about vegetables than you ever planned to, please like and subscribe. Also, if you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for tuning in, and join us next time here in the channel that answers all the why, what, who, where, and how questions you've always wondered about, here on Explaining Everything.